Everybody always wants to know how to rank better online so that customers will find them, and especially local businesses who usually have a lot of competitors in just one town. And the key for local businesses is to get as much traction in the local maps listing as possible. And so in this video, I'm going to be giving you some local SEO tips, and I'm going to show you how to crush it in your market. Hey everybody, I'm Richard Cruz, and my agency, WSI Priority Media, we test Google Ads and local SEO strategy every single day. We're discovering those things that are working and that are not working, and I create these videos to give you the latest cutting edge tips that can hopefully help you with your digital marketing. The Google Maps 3-pack that you're looking at, right up here, that is where local businesses that are thriving are getting their business from. Competition is fierce for this valuable real estate. And you need to know how to have an edge. So when people ask me on how to do good local SEO and get more customers, I give them three primary solid tips to follow. So I'm going to give those to you here as well too. Number one is optimize your Google My Business listing. Make sure that you got a minimum of 10 photos in there so that all of your categories are spot on and that are accurate. When it comes back to your photos, a picture is worth 1,000 words. You ever heard that before? It is so true. Make sure that you're using really great, high resolution photos that convey quality and trust. Take advantage of those posts, your picture, when you're posting that picture up there. Make sure you're thinking through, if someone who doesn't know us has seen this for the first time, what is this picture conveying to them? Is it conveying the brand that we want? Take away the stuff that is confusing, that doesn't lead to any kind of emotional connection. Use great videos for your customers. Tell a story through your video. And then what you want to do is you want to take advantage of posts as well too. You can post special offers, news, updates. We make a post every single day on my Google My Business because Google loves your posting. It sets you up as an authority, and you can link customers to a special offer or to special news or content on your website with every single post. Number two is building citations. Look, there are hundreds of directories that you can embed your company information into, but you got to make sure that you're using the exact spelling and punctuation for every single listing. You can't deviate. For example, you can put let's say that you're at an avenue address. You cannot put AVE in one directory citation and then put in another one AVENUE Avenue. If your business is at 123 Main Avenue, you spell it out. It doesn't matter if you use AVE or AVENUE. Whatever it is that you use it exactly every place, and you spell it out on every single directory. You can use a free tool called Moz.com, and you can check your citations, your directories there, and it will show you if they're correctly listed or if you have a mismatch. It's a free tool, and it's a really great way to do a quick checkup. Number three, last but not least, get your reviews up. You can rank for keywords, and you can be found in that 3-pack up here. And but every single time that you're found over and over again, it means nothing if you're not the winner. See, the winner is going to be the business with the most and best reviews. See, people are fanatical about reviews, and trust is the currency of 2021. People don't want to be burnt, and so they're going to call the company with the best and the most reviews first. We've tested this, and we have found that the company with the best and most reviews gets 84%. 84% of the click-throughs in the 3-pack. It's huge. And so the battle that I see it done right here is everybody is trying to rank. They want to get their keywords and they want to be in here, and they think that they've won, that they're king of the mountain. You are not king of the mountain just being here. Yes, you're going to get more phone calls. Yes, it's a good thing to be there. But if you really want to have that 84% market share, then what you need to do is that as well. Get yourself obviously ranked in there, but then you want to make sure that you have the best and the most reviews of everybody that is on there. And if you need help with getting more reviews on faster, then I recommend that you use automation. And we love a tool called reputationadvantage.com. It is the best program out there to be able to help you expedite and collect more reviews faster so that you can catch up to these guys. It helps you prevent negative reviews faster by using automation to be able to anticipate what somebody's going to be able to write and catch them ahead of time. It works really, really well. Do those three things and watch how you're able to really, really start to be able to make great straightforwards with your local SEO. And so, folks, that is my recommendations on local SEO and how you can improve yours and get better results and beat your competitors. I hope you've learned at least one thing in this video. And if you did, do me a favor, leave that one thing in the comments below. And if you need help with your Google Ads or your local SEO, take our 45-day challenge. And we will improve your results in local SEO or Google Ads in 45 days or less, or you pay absolutely nothing. Simple as that. Hey, remember to like this video and to subscribe to be alerted of future episodes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now.